Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix Instagram Notes GIF option not showing problem. This is a new Instagram GIF updates. So if you are also not getting the GIF option in the Instagram Notes, then here follow the fixes. First of all, open Play Store, tap on search for Instagram and tap on it. And if you find any updates option available for this app, then update it to the latest version. Then open the settings app, scroll down, tap on apps, tap on app management, and here search for Instagram and tap on it. Then tap on force stop and confirm it. Then go to the storage usage, click on clear cache and confirm it. And then launch the Instagram app. Go to message, click on your note, and here you can see that GIF option is now showing over here. So tap on GIF option, and then you can select any of the GIF option over here. For example, let's select this one and then click on share. And now you can see that GIF note is working now. So this is how you can fix Instagram Notes GIF option not showing problem in Instagram. So that's all for this video.